place for transforming your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of a backyard oasis but aren't quite ready for the massive commitment of an in-ground excavation, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of above-ground pool aesthetics. When we talk about above-ground outdoor pool design, we aren't just talking about a blue vinyl tub sitting in the grass. This design philosophy focuses on the intentional integration of a freestanding pool into your home's overall landscape. It involves considering the surround, the decks, the stone pathways, and the greenery to create a cohesive look. Essentially, it is the art of taking a functional water feature and elevating it through architecture and decor so that it feels like a permanent, luxurious part of your outdoor living area rather than an afterthought. The benefits of opting for an above-ground design are numerous, starting with incredible cost-effectiveness. You can achieve a high-end resort feel at a fraction of the cost of an in-ground pool, leaving more room in your budget for premium decking and lush landscaping. Beyond the price tag, these pools offer much faster installation times and are significantly easier to maintain or even remove if your lifestyle changes later on. From a safety perspective, the naturally elevated entry point makes it easier to control access for children and pets. Plus, in many regions, above-ground pools are taxed differently than permanent in-ground structures, saving you money on your annual property assessments while still providing that refreshing summer escape. To make an above-ground pool look truly stunning, you need to focus on grounding the structure so it blends into the environment. The most effective way to do this is through multi-level decking or clever wrapping. By building a wooden or composite deck around the rim of the pool, you hide the exterior walls and create a seamless transition from the house to the water. Incorporate soft landscaping like ornamental grasses, lavender, or potted palms around the perimeter to soften the hard edges of the pool frame. Lighting is also a game changer. Adding solar-powered path lights, underwater LEDs, and string lights overhead will transform the space from a daytime swimming spot into a sophisticated evening lounge area. Always stick to a consistent color palette, such as whites, teals, and natural wood tones, to give the space a professional, curated feel. Choosing the right items can make or break your pool's aesthetic. Start with high-quality resin or teak lounge chairs that offer both comfort and durability against splashing. A stylish cantilever umbrella is a must-have, providing a focal point and necessary shade. For the water itself, consider upgraded wedding cake-style steps rather than a basic ladder. These provide a more grand entrance and a place to sit and soak. Don't forget the functional decor. Decorative storage bins for towels, weather-resistant outdoor rugs to define the lounge space, and floating pool lights for ambience. Finally, adding a small fire pit table nearby or a sleek outdoor bar cart ensures that your pool area remains the heart of your home's entertainment throughout the season. Designing an above-ground pool area is all about creativity and seeing the potential beyond the box. By focusing on quality materials and thoughtful landscaping, you can create a backyard destination that rivals any five-star hotel. It's about creating a space where memories are made, whether you're hosting a lively summer barbecue or enjoying a quiet morning coffee by the water. Your backyard is an extension of your home, so give it the love and design attention it deserves. If you found these design tips helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.